windy day. I'm gonna get the cover back on her. This section here hooks up to the wiper blades. So we're gonna throw this up front and hook the front up first. Ooh, it's like a sail. Alright, that's gonna be good enough for now. Alright, that should be good. Which one is which? We got two. It's followed by a little piece, and then one. I think this gonna be right here. That's a corner piece. So this goes here. That's a corner piece. So I'm gonna go with. Let's try this. Does this work? Yeah, this works. No, this doesn't work. Where's the other corner piece at? This is confusing. Alright. That's definitely a corner piece. Let's get that on first. Since we know this is a corner piece, we think we know. Yeah. I don't know actually. Wait a second. Stop recording. Alright. The part that nobody knows about or sees or cares to know about. Hacking her up. I need to mark like red or something, or stitch like a red tag or something in, so I can know which direction the cover goes in, because it's still kind of challenging when it's all rolled up to tell what part goes where. That will help my process. Hopefully I can do this in 3 minutes or less. Almost good. Oh, it's got water in it. Holy crap. I'm about to empty that in a second. Put this guy on here.